Good afternoon. This is Tailong Yang.
This is Zhihan Jiang Jian.
Look at this picture covered from the satellite. It is our planet which we rely on.
Yeah, this blue planet seems beautiful and peaceful, but its internal part has unputable power.
Absolutely. The Earth releases power by disasters which have recorded in the human history.
So today we will realize what disasters occurred before, because now it's a global age. We can't ignore these laws from our Earth. First, we will report the snowslides.
Wow, it is so surprising. You can see what happened in this picture on the scene.
It is estimated there are 1 million snowslides every year in the globe, and 200 people died because of snowslides. Their power is unpredictable. Even mountaineers who have rich experience will be unable to escape the snowslides. The research shows that snowslides usually occurred on the hills between 35 degrees to 45 degrees, and the snowflakes fall and become the carpet shape of the carpet. It makes snow formation unstable. The factor of temperature, wind, and sunshine will let snow formation slide. It will cause thousands of snows to fall and 10,000 horses galloping ahead.
The scientists compute that if someone is hit by the snowslide, its power is like 100 Hz. In many dangerous regions, the governments will carry out explosions to reduce the heaps of snow formations. The snowslide also hold up the road and threaten the cars and the public.
Could you guess what happened in this picture?
Oh, it's so terrible. It happened the hurricane.
There are about 45 hurricanes every year. While a hurricane lands, it will bring the great destructive power, and the capacity to release is equal to 15 atomic bombs.
September 13, 2008, the hurricane named Aka hit Texas. It caused 10,000 homes to ruin and 4 million families to have the power cut. The Virgin coast of Texas became a wasteland in a moment. Most terrifying of all, the tremendous waves sucked the residents along the bank, and the rubbles make the windstorm more destructive. There were 103 people dead because of this windstorm. According to the research, the power of this windstorm can provide electric power for America a whole year.
The hurricane hit the coastline violently, but it doesn't mean the inland itself. The storm will bring heavy rain and cause the mud flow.
The place which suffered this disaster easily in the earth is Taiwan. The experts said the central mountain is like a brick wall. If the typhoon comes, it can stop it and make it run out of power, but it also brings alarming rainfall. Oh my goodness, it's a volcano which was erupting.
Yeah, the things like lava overflow is spectacular, but it brings stress to the residents. Now there are still some famous active volcanoes like Gilaya volcano in Hawaii and Mount Etna in Italy. Gilaya volcano in Hawaii is a very active volcano, but it seldom causes disasters because it is a volcano which erupts regularly. It continues to release power, so it is more safer than volcano which is quite hundreds of years.
Mount Etna in Italy is the most active volcano in Europe. The gas of the volcano, which floats on the magma, will expand rapidly and explode, and the lava will scatter in all directions. The volcanoes are intangible. Even they don't explode, they also lead people to death. The explosions of the volcanoes have far-reaching influence on the residents and climate. The ashes spread all over the world, and the particles reflect sunshine back to the space. It makes temperature lower.
Kawaizan in Indonesia has a special kettle lake which erodes sulfur dioxide into the lake. It is acidic waters in the highest temperature, and the residents might risk mining the sulfur and sell to cosmetic companies. The eruption influences the global climate. The magma becomes land after it cools. The volcano shows power in various forms. It can not only create but also destroy.
It looks so cold there.
You can see it happen a blizzard. Because the threat to the global warming, the climate is suddenly hot or cold, especially in the Chandford mountain area. The mountaineers are afraid of a snowstorm. Even if their equipment is complete, they also unlikely escape. As we lose our body temperature, we will frostbite and die.
Dr. Geshen said, once you stop trembling, your body will lose the ability to warm itself, and your organs get slower and exhausted. So the danger of the snowstorm is that losing body temperature will harm us.
Today, we are deep realizing our Earth.
Yes, I think our Earth is so mysterious.
How about you?
The report was written by me
and me.
Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.